Okay, so in class, we've already talked about how to solve for missing sides in similar triangles. So we're going to keep this going. And now we're going to talk about same vocabulary. You're going to find out how to find the missing links of triangles. Now we're going to talk about what happens when the triangles are inside of each other. So as usual, the first thing we're going to do is read the question, and then we're going to write down what it's asking us to do, and then we'll go from there. It says a ramp which extends 10 meters from the base of a building is 6 feet high. How many feet longer would you need to make the ramp to go 8 feet high? So I read the question. It wants me to find out how much longer I need to go with a ramp to make it 8 feet high instead of 6 feet high. So we got lucky. They already drew a picture for us, so we don't have to do that. But it is asking me how much longer do my ramp need to go to be 8 feet high. So what I need to figure out is how much longer does the ramp need to be. All right, that's what I need to find out. So they gave me the picture. Now, if you notice, there are two triangles inside of this picture. There is this yellow triangle right here, and I'm going to draw that yellow triangle. So I'm going to draw it on my paper, and this is what you need to be doing as well, drawing it on your paper. I'm going to put 10 here and 6 here. And then there is a orange triangle, the big one, which is this. Okay, and I'm going to draw that on my paper as well. So the big one. So the height is 8, and this side right here, I have two pieces. I have the 10 and the x. So in order to get the length of this long side here, I need to do 10 plus whatever the value of x is, which I don't know yet, but I'm going to figure it out. And it says how much longer does the ramp need to be. So we need to find what is x. That's what we're looking for. What is x? So I'm going to say, all right, this is the height, and this is the height. And then I'm going to say this is the ramp, and this is the ramp. So those are corresponding sides. So I'm going to do 6 over 8, and that should equal the ramp of this one, 10 over 10 plus x. Now I'm going to do my math. 6 times 10 plus x, so 6 parentheses 10 plus x equals 8 times 10. Alright, that's called cross multiplication, or the butterfly method that they taught you guys in middle school. Some of your teachers might have called it that. So this is called solving a proportion, so I cross multiplied. So since my variable is on the left side, I'm good, and my constant is on the right side, I'm going to go ahead and start. So I need to use distributive property. If you are one of those people that forget distributive property and forget that number, it has to be multiplied by both both terms inside the parentheses. Draw the arrows. So I get 60 plus 6x equals 80. Now I have a problem on the left side. This constant belongs on the right side, and it needs to cross over the line, so I have to change its sign. So I use 60 minus 60. So here we get 6x equals 20. And then here we're going to divide by 6. Divide by 6. And we're going to get x equals, and we're in the big boys game now, so I don't want you to turn this into a decimal. You can use decimals, and let me show you how to use that fraction key in decimals. So you can go to Google and type in decimals, scientific calculator, or you can just click on the button that I made on your PDF, and then you click here, and that number was 20 over 6, so you're going to push the fraction key, and then do 20 and 6, and we're going to push 10 over 3, or if you can reduce fractions on your own, you know this both divides into 2, so we get 10 over 3. And so we're going to write our statement. The addition needs to be 10 over 3 feet longer. Then we answer the question because it asks how much longer does the ramp need to be for it to go 8 feet high. And we did 10 over 3 feet. It has to be 10 over 3 feet longer. Alright, so I want you guys to try the other question out, the other, 2 questions out, and then we'll talk about what questions you have when you come back to class. Bye.